Okay, guys, we are live. It's always slightly late, but there's no worries. There's no problems at all. Important is that we are live and we're ready to trade. The market is open. Here below, you see again always the same balance because this is a rhythmic glitch. I hope they will fix it soon, as I'm still seeing the old data, and we can cash it. Live time. I believe the audio is working. Let me check it. I believe the audio is working. I don't need to do anything else, and we're ready to go. So I hope, guys, you have spent a nice weekend. For me, trading was not in my mind at all this weekend. Even if I had a red week. I unfortunately had a red week last week, but we cannot do anything about it. We can just improve, make better trades, and keep up the good work we have done in the last period. That's the only things. Right now I'm gonna put my stop loss 60 ticks. The market is just open, so I will look for hopefully 15 points. We always check if the orders are going. It did not go, so it means that I have disconnect and reconnect rhythmic. This is something that I start to do since one day I realized that rhythmic on the connection at the start, sometimes it does not really connect. So I have to really make disconnect and reconnect to see that the trades are working. So give it a time, it reloads, it reconnects, and then we can go ahead with the first trade. What's up? What's up, Mufti? What's up? How are you, my friend? Let's start the week. Hopefully we don't blow up this week, because we had some nice negative days last week. So let's see if the orders goes in. The orders goes on all of them. So last week was not the best, Mufti, but we try to keep trading the same as always, and we don't get how do you say it, influenced by it. I hope for you was a good weekend, my friend. I hope it was. It's part of trading, man. Yes, it's all part of trading. And the funny thing is that I had the renewal of my two monthly this weekend, and usually my card I have like enough money that I use on the daily, and my main money is connected to my main account that is not connected to any card. It's just this for safety purpose, that if someone steals my card, is not gonna be able to use my the real balance I have. So this weekend, one renewal worked and the second renewal failed. And I got the email this morning that my second time it tried to pay, it failed again. Oh, I was like, wow, what the heck? And I figured out that one account was not renewed at all. But luckily I was still in the 72 hours of time frame, so I just paid for it today manually. Or it would have been a bad surprise for me. Nice rejection here, but still we wait. Let's see how it evolves. This can look good for continuation to the line, so you don't want to lose your own account that way. Yes, that's what happened to my brother. He lost it that way. He had 54,000 in, so 4,000 in profit. He could have withdrawn because the first denial, he got a denial because his consistency was too high. But the second, he worked on it, he increased the balance, and he could have requested payout. And the account failed after 3 days that it was expired because of the renewal not paid. It did burn to him, unfortunately. Oh, that was a nice quick retest of this area. Beautiful one at 80s levels as well. Oh, right now it's going. That was a nice one. To be honest, somehow I'm feeling that I'm getting scared to do plays like this now, where I get filled, that then it might go against myself when I don't see still rejection. But this was a nice 15 points. What's up, Captain Price? Red day looks likely. Red day, I hope in the market and not in my accounts, because for the moment we need the win, but we don't look for it. We just look for good execution. Hopefully, that is the main focus right now. And Wednesday I will be back home, so you're gonna see me back in my usual standard place with the microphone, with the audio, and everything should be much better. Good morning, Severtanus. How are you, my friend? We are waiting to see what the markets wants to do. Looking at possible place at 680 here rejection if they come. Short at 944. Let me see which contract I have here. By the way, whoa. Let me see, because there's NQ. Yeah, NQM. Oh, see? I was right, yes. Is it correct? I mean, September. It's M4, right? Month, CME contract. It's M, right? M is September. September is U. Oh my God. Why NQ this still in a Q? U. Yes. My audio has some issues. It can be by notification somewhere. Let me see if I'm getting some notification somewhere. It's everything mute. I hope I'm not getting notification from an application. Discord is giving me so many times application. It's still bad. That is because of some notifications here. Let me fix it by removing the sounds from the monitor. This will probably, this desktop audio I'm gonna put off. Right now, let me know if the audio still persists, because right now I removed all the audio from the desktop and I hope it works. Let me know. By the way, thank you, Severtanos, because I did not realize that I had still the old contract. It's okay right now? Because right now I removed. So you're not gonna hear anymore order field. So that is the only thing, but it's not, I prefer, it's better to have the audio working well than just hear an order field. By the way, thank you very much again, because in my mind, I thought I had the correct contract, but we should move to September, that is MQU. So just to be careful. Good morning, Mr. Jose, Mr. Misik. Great one, man. I see you where did you take the short here or the long? You said 9044, 44 is here. Show me. Let's see how it goes. Still the opening print level is here. Let's see, my friend. Give it the stop loss you were looking for. Let's see if we reject the opening print level, or this is just a fake and we start to push higher. Jose already took his break, 15 minutes breaks, and he made his money. This was a nice one, for example. 15 minutes break was oh my God. I need to change all the NQ contracts here on my other graphs. Where is it? Q and Q. Why the heck I put M and Q here? I'm doing some mistakes here overall. Okay, still rejecting right now the opening print level. Doing some few mistakes, but luckily for the moment they're not impacting my trading. And now Contao is telling me there is no data for the contract I selected. No data for NQ. What the heck? Ah, I'm selecting the wrong contract again. Okay. Why are you $6,500 down? Wake, my friend, that is the glitch from Rhythmic, still showing data from last Thursday from my evaluation that I blown. Okay, long. You went long. You took it, man. Great one anyway. Yeah, great one anyway. Let's see how it evolves right now because it looks interesting. Yeah, see what you see right now on the balance is not the balance I have today. That is unfortunately a glitch from Rhythmic, guys. Not the real balance of today. If I show you Rhythmic, you will see it. Not rates today. But I cannot do anything on that performance account. Looks like a nice short on the open print level. Looking if how ES is weak, if its ES is still weak enough. NASDAQ is found a possible breaker resistance area on the hour chart. Let's wait. $6,500 down. At least they are just evaluation in any scenarios. And wait, and I have a free valuation that reset. So I have 118, 19, and 20 that we can YOLO and hopefully pass. Hopefully. But this one I'm waiting right now to see what wants to do here. If I want to play the short, I'm gonna wait for this to break below the 50s area here. Break below, retest the 50s, gonna go short and continue lower. If not, I will wait for the break above the open print level and then continue higher. I'm gonna wait for this consolidation to get out from this consolidation. What's up, everyone? How are you? You know, for a long time, I thought Abi1 was my brother. But instead, it was just a guy there that was following me. And I thought it was my brother because you have this kind of the same name. And I thought he was that. Not shorting into support. Yeah, I'm going this 50 is here, especially. I'm not going to short it until I see it break and retest it. I'm great, brother. Hopefully we get a nice trade. I'm waiting for it, waiting to see it. The 50s are there. Let's see right now if it's coming back to retest it. Did you roll over? Yes, I did roll over right before when Sever Thanos told me that he did, and I realized as well. Okay, we're not getting the retest. Let's see if we get it. 45 could be still a nice entry. I put the order there if I get filled. This was nice, but this was too risky. Playing a short on this candle would have been too risky. 2 out of 2 for Jose already. He took again the short. Jose is just a killer. Might not work. Looking for 950. I'm still short. I'm gonna go short as well if he gets filled me. Okay. We are short, guys. We are short. Let's see how it goes. We play what we see. And if we get the trade, we get the trade. If we don't get the trade, the important is the execution. This was a nice trade. Salam, brother. What's up? Right now, I'm in a trade, and I'm looking for this to short, to go down, hopefully. That is the idea. we wish to get. Double bottom. I like shorting when it's still not liquidated. For example, if this one was liquidated, then I would have not shorted. But if this is not, yes, you can say it's in support. I agree with that on the higher time frame. But looking at smaller time frame, I would take it on a short side. Oops. Okay, I tried to move it. It did not get me because it was over my price. I'm gonna leave it the time. It was quick candle. 41, 41. Yeah, okay, now it's time again. Okay. Is that challenge? No, these are, if you see the balance, no, the balance below are wrong, are from the previous week. This is a glitch from Rhythmic. The 4 PS I'm copy trading are 4 funded accounts. Are these 4 PS actually? Are these 4 PS? And right now you can see it update right now. You see the PS number. So the PS number appeared. Let me put them in order. Let me filter them. All no filtered. So you guys can see only the PAs. You might see, you still see the general balance. Oh, by the way, okay, I did not even see that. I wasn't lucky. And oh man, what the fuck? What was my entry? 45, 30 would have been my TP right now. Oof. Where are you getting this? I mean, it stopped me, it went against me, it came back again. Wow, this sucks. This sucks. The idea was correct at least. But just not getting the trades running on our direction. It's happening too often, by the way. It's happening too often. We just need to keep relaxing. Relax, relax, relax. I'm not gonna short anymore right now until I see something that makes sense, especially now that we liquidated. TP for several times, good job. The break and retest in 1935. I'm waiting for the break and retest 1935. That makes sense, to be honest. It makes sense. Gonna just wait right now and see. But that 35 makes sense as a break and retest. I was such a lucky. In these moments that you see and you're like, is moving the stop loss in break even a good one or a bad one on my long run? I need to test it. I'm gonna spend some time on testing it and especially look at all my trades in the past and see statistically if I would have been better by not touching the break even. Okay, still going down without us. Without us, what we can do? Yeah, move too fast the stop. Yeah, I agree with that. I mean, I usually move it for 5 points from the entry, and this was almost 5 points. I mean, was it 5 points? But in the last period, it happened too many times that I get stopped out, and then it moved to my direction. I will see. I need to test it. We wait right now. If we see this becoming a resistance, 30-35, like Wakey said, we look for it. 900 is here. 900 can be support. It was a resistance in the past and support. You see it here, 900. So this 900 can be a critical one. And we'll figure it out. after 3 minutes candle. It can be as well. It can be as well. That's a nice. I like that thinking of time frame break even. I like it. You just bought the bottom 1-to-1. I was very close to 900. That was a good choice. It's okay, guys. It's okay. It's a break-even trade is better than a losing trade, and we're gonna wait for the good one. This is not gonna be the last one I will get stopped out in break-even. Yeah, because he went here at 944. What is it? Probably the break, I think he went. Or this little test. 20 point stop loss was around here. So he got almost stopped out, but it had a nice entry, that one. Had the opening print level above. Severtanos killed it on the trade. Yeah, the one leg here. One leg. We wait for the second leg. Here is was created. Let's see how it wants to evolve right now on this pullback. 920s are here. Must be hard to be patient. Yes, in this Severtanos is good. But at Severtanos you did good. Just don't stress yourself when you do that. When you take a trade, you executed knowing this. So when you put your stop loss in your TP, just don't overthink it anymore. You've done your job. When you think about that, you say, I've done my job. This is the best I could have done as a trader. Now I wait for the market to pay me or to stop me. No matter what, it's not in my power. That's what you have to say every time. If I get stopped out, it's a data. It's just data. It's a statistic data for yourself, for the next trades. Something that you cannot control, but you can improve. I top a secret. Yeah, man, I know. I've imagined that a long time before, if in my trades with ES, I would maybe taking hours. Jose knows it. Maybe we were ending at 9 a.m. and the trade was gone until the end of the day, and we had to close it because it did not take our TP, only the house stop loss. What a pain. Because in that moment, on the last hour, you try to define what is the best time to close it, because you know it's not going to get TP, but you want to get the maximum point, and it sucks. Okay, we're getting the first little leg here. Second leg, around 30s. We can look for probably a short. Short is here at 30s. At 30s, we might look for shorts. Let's see how the candle evolves, and then we take the short. Let's see. The little second leg is coming here. 30s are getting touched, are getting over right now. It's going above. Wiki, are you gonna enter in the short, Wiki? You're gonna get your 35. 35, it's almost there. 35 maybe is already touched. Yes. Let's see how it evolves. It looks good for a short. I'm gonna wait. Let's see how this candle evolves, and then we might short on the 30s. Yeah, if it does not fly without us to the downside, like it's happening right now. Let's give it time. piece of crap. That was a nice one, Wake, if you took it. Wow, that was a nice one. 35 already. I was already almost TP if you took it. I mean, if I took it, 35, but let's see how it evolves. Do we have news later on, guys? Because sometimes I'm missing these things. Just speaking too much. Monday, no, it's over for today. Let me see if what we get a pullback here. Yeah, I think the trade is gone, but I'm gonna wait if it comes back. If it comes back here, I'm still in. I'm gonna give the 20s rejection here. That high is good stop loss. Now let's see. Go long. Why you're telling me right now, go long. Yes, I took it. I took it right now. And I will get stopped out. Oh my God. These days is nothing in my way after entry. Oh my God. I deserve it. I guess I deserve it. I'm gonna take it and shut the fuck up. That's it. Pig. Unfortunately, I deserve it. Oh my God. It's not going good. Mentally, it's not going good. What we can do? Nothing. It's not going well. In the last days, not going well at all. Not going well at all. Yeah, I think it's more a mental things. You know, when you get different losses, one loss after each one, it gets heavy. Especially when you get this one as a break even, it gets heavy. Mentally gets heavy. It's just a mental. It's just a mental strain right now. I'm getting definitely too much FOMO in the last period. I mean, I'm getting the FOMO because of the many break-even trades that goes in my direction. So after one, you've seen it, how many I took in the last period that went to my direction and they closed in positive. They really probably, I think, triggered too much in my mental state. Yeah, Patrick, for sure. He made his money from YouTube anyway. With his Lambo. Did he put the Lambo in the background? Let me see. Did he put the live? Yeah? He had first. Let me.
Don't you?
I'm checking it now. No, okay, I don't know. I cannot see it. What I don't like about his trading that you cannot go in the past. So you can only see at the end. Yeah, the McLaren, but he put the McLaren. No, not the McLaren. He put the one of the Jeep one, the Ford. Getting too hot here. It's getting too hot because I closed the window to don't have noise. By the way, I need to check. One account might be close to blown. 1,300, which, yeah, that's $600 with one account. Come check my nothing. I don't have any card. Yeah, guy, man, he does not care because he makes money from affiliate and YouTube and stuff like that. So he made it, but in a different way than what he advertised. So, but he made it. He makes millions, but thanks to other things. He's a good seller. He's a good entertainer. Not like me. Not like me. What should I do is hide my PNL, guys, and just don't show you my trades and telling you every time, oh, I'm going long, guys. I'm going long. I'm out 50s, made this money. And then I would just telling you this every day. I mean, definitely in this way, the YouTube channel might grow faster. Again, opening print level getting rejected. By the way, so many things I've done in the last period, I've noticed, is just I wait for confirmation, something that I've not done in the previous weeks. And it happens that not waiting for confirmation sometimes was giving me red trades, but as well many times it was giving me quick green trades. Like this one, where is it? Where this one would have been a quick trade. So that was something, unfortunately. This one would have been a quick trade. I take it. 32, 15. So this is another lesson of like, for me, that I wait too much for confirmation. I'm locked out of my broker now. Which broker? Rhythmic? Apex? Ah, that is the way. I mean, you've done good. You've done good. That is the way to do it. That is the way to do it. Something I watched once a YouTube guy was saying one day when I became profitable is when I gave the locking code to my wife. She was getting locked out, and then the wife was the only one able to unlock him. The first day when he was trading and he had bad days, he was still going to his wife, begging her to give him the log. At the first times, the wife, of course, doesn't know the emotion side and was giving back to him. And then, of course, he realized that this was a mistake. He was then over trading anyway, and then told her, like, like a cooking man, he told her, no matter what I tell you, you don't have to give me this code. And this is when he starts to become profitable and able to accept the losses he had during the days. But with the Apex, you don't have that options, but you have the options of max loss, max trailing loss on Rhythmic. This is all possible because this is Rhythmic settings. You can do it by yourself. So remember that you can lock yourself out with max loss with Rhythmic. You cannot do it with Tradeweight, unfortunately. But then in the end, it's your mental state. I mean, you can find the ways, by the way. Yeah? If it's not with Tradeweight directly or Rhythmic, you can find your ways. You can create. There are softwares, I'm sure, that will lock your computer at 10:30 a.m. and no matter what, they will lock your computer. There are softwares. You need to just to find them and Google them. Yes, this was a nice long, by the way. Yes, one leg, second leg. Yeah, most of the time you blow it because of that. You don't accept the red day. You do everything but day. I'm gonna take longs here above the open print level if it happens. That is gonna be my trade. Let's see. Now it's doing it. I'm gonna put the order there. Okay, it's breaking. Did not feel me. '60s. Let's see. We go long above the open print level, looking for the highs. We will try to don't be too accelerated moving the stop loss in break even. But I like this long. I do like it. If I get stopped out, it's the max loss of the day again. And these accounts will blow up very soon. Unfortunately, if they blow up in the next 2 days after I renewed them this last weekend, it's gonna burn, but it's okay. 54, 50. You're long, you not long at 52 TP hit. Ah, yes, if you took the break, yes. 54 here. Yeah, you're right. 67 already there on the top. 994. I'm gonna give it a bit less points here above, below the 50s. Let's see. Let's see. If this does not work, I'm the worst trader. You say, I can't believe how consistent you are. He's a monster. He is a monster. Are we gonna get this win, or are we gonna get this loss, or are we gonna get this break even? We wait. A piece blood. What? I get nervous when I see price go up, then immediately push down faster. It's like it's getting hit with the hammer. I mean, many times it is, but many times as well it's just a pullback. The more you can get, and then it continues higher. That's what I like mostly for me. Right now we wait. Hopefully it works out. 10 seconds for this candle to close. I'm gonna give it a bit of time, so we don't get stopped out again. If you get stopped out, I like that it's kind of consolidating. We wait. We do wait. The market should be scared of you. It will be a win, Katab. Thank you, Katab. Right now, guys, it's gonna be a loss. Katab said it. Katab, if this is one, it's gonna be a loss. I'm texting you right now in Discord. I'm blocking you from everywhere. We need this break. By the way, what the heck was this? 65. It's trying. It's trying to go above. Ban. Katab is ban, guys. Ban. A ban. Ban. Whatever in English is better. It's trying to break above. Stop loss in break even right now. This is a. It's okay to move it in break even right now. And we wait. Hopefully we get it. Hopefully we do. I will put my TP just on the tick here on the top. I would like to be good luck. Hopefully it works out. These minutes candle are getting So bad. Come on, can you give us this last push? Come on. I think it can do it, but finally, a good trade, a win trade that is needed, even if the P&L is still red, it's still better than than before. Yes, Katab was right, by the way. finally a trade that it was. By the way, something that if you have noticed it, I entered in this candle pullback, right? This one was already 5 points above my entry, and I did not move my stop loss in break even. If I would have done that by following my my standard way, I would have getting stopped out in break even, and this would have hurt mentally. I just waited, giving like a following your advice, guys, to give it 2-3 minutes before moving the stop loss in break even, and let the market give a bit of push, and then it came out to be the correct decision because this candle was the candle that then after pushed, so that was needed. My accounts get a bit further from the blow up situation, and we're back at having at least 1,000 and more of drawdown. So we're still in the game. We just need to play relaxed. This would have been a win. This should have been avoided. Like, this was a really bad trade, by the way. This was a really bad trade. That's not the way I should have done it. But at least we've done good, guys. We've done good. This was a nice trade. We're gonna go back on this. We're gonna jump back. By the way, let's right now to have myself a break. Where do you think the market will go, guys? Higher or lower? Katab, you get one more life. Yes. He's safe for the moment. For the moment, he's safe. He risked his life, but he's safe now. We got the win. Risky trade. Oh, no, it was not risky. The trade was good. This was good trade. That's what should, I think, in this last period I've done wrong is I waited too much for confirmation. It broke above, it came back, it retest. I mean, I don't have to wait. Freaking in. Why am waiting for a confirmation? This one, 35, where, for example, Wakey went. If it was not 35, was 31, was 30, doesn't matter. I would have been a win no matter what of the two options. So let's do it. Let's catch up mentally, and it's gonna be good. Right now the market is trying to push, but ES is not doing it. So right now it's finding some problems there. $10.14. Okay. By the way, just follow Katab at this point. Every time Katab is gonna tell me, he is your strategy. He's our strategy. we will get it back with Katab as well. We're gonna get it back. This is totally good. 59, 55. These accounts will go back to payout level. They will come back. Just a matter of believing on the system. It's gonna happen. If it does not happen, but I followed my strategy, we're good. We are good. Yeah, what is Katab? Long, short? Jose, are you gonna take a long or a short? I have some evaluation to play here. Evaluation 18. It's long. Left. Evaluation 18. The 20,000 are above. Oh, the 20,000 look good, guys, for to get touched. Let's go long on the evaluation. 18. 18. Full size contracts. We don't really care. Stop loss does not exist. Stop loss in these cases. And TP, I really don't know how much should be. It should be 26 points. We go long at the break. Oh, 20. How many contracts? 17. What the fuck? I put 17. 27. It got rejected because of the amount of contract. 77 means 20.03, somewhere there here. We're long. We are long, guys. Look how many contracts, by the way. 14, 2, and 1. You will pass. Katab said it, guys. Katab said it. I will pass this evaluation. Katab said it. I don't even check this evaluation. I know it's already passed. I trust him. Why should I check right now? Let's all go long. Okay, guys. Katab, maybe his power of prediction was over. We give it the time. We give it the time for Katab. Katab, what is this? What is this, brother? What is this? Are you lying to me? That this long is gonna work? I'm full port long. I'm full port long. For the 2000s. You heard order at 78. Long as well? Let's break it 78. What is this? I'm almost at drawdown. A drawdown should be around here, 67. And that's it. Look at this, what you have done. Hey, by the way, let's see if I get to liquidate it and then it goes higher. Let's go back to our 18 PA if we see another trade happening. Gaiman is jumping between people every 5 minutes. He's changing strategy every 2 minutes. We're gonna ban him, guys. It's time for Katab for the moment to go away. It's gonna be ban time. It was a pleasure, my friend, but you are not helpful. Ban him. Gaiman is very aggressive, by the way. Yeah? Gaiman is not happy. Leave a like, guys. Leave a like on that button. By the way, really on the bottom. What the heck? Trust my hedge. I don't know if we can trust you anymore, my friend. We don't know. You've done enough. You give enough problems. I was exit liquidity. Like I was exit liquidity here. What the heck? Gaiman put all his life on Katab long, and right now he's texting us from the street. Where is Jim E? Mean GameStop? No, that is GMT, right? I've not looked for a while, to be honest. Let me see how much is GameStop. GameStop stock. $26. $26. It's right now $26. Still there, still Yeah, for the moment, no real trades. It's kind of retesting this area, these highs in general. It might continue higher. If this is a trade, we might take it. Let's see. We evaluate right now. We evaluate soon. Okay. I was speaking too early, I guess. A retest of this opening print level can be good too. Wait. These candles are moving a bit too much. Okay, well, look at what was that shit here. Gone long here would have really stopped me out. No, almost. Might continue higher. I think as well. Just looking at the hour chart, 15-minute chart, it looks good for higher. These areas getting retested. We'll evaluate soon. This can be good. 70s. Oh, wow. Guys, I almost entered 17 contracts in my PAs. I almost entered 17 contracts in my PAs. Luckily, I have 50K PA. Wow. I was very close to get it. Gonna look again. It's been an hour, I'm looking off. See you, Cyberthanos. It was a pleasure. Thank you again for coming. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for everyone. I'm gonna put an order here without my TP and stop loss. What the heck is happening here? I'm forgetting things. I'm gonna take the bounce at 60s. Again. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Let's see if it works out. If it comes back, I will be happy. If it does not come back, I won't be happy, neither angry. I will accept it. But this time, I want to wait for confirmation. I'm gonna take the long if I get filled. Oh, almost. 60s. Almost. Oh my god. Can you come and retest me? 60s were an idea, but then I was like, the opening print level is just a bit lower. Just give it 2 more points of entries. Yeah, I'm long right now. 10 points stop loss, 10 points TP, retest of the opening print level. I'm gonna take it. Now I'm gonna relax my mind, my strength, and use it to don't get angry. Is this what is gonna happen to me? Is this what is gonna happen to me? Getting liquidated? Please support work. It's not gonna work. This can be the opening print level became a short. I think I'm gonna get stopped out. This became a short, but we're already in from the previous analysis of the support, so we don't touch it. Wow, okay. One on the short side. It closed, continued lower. Wow, that was ugly. Shit. Oh. Here's what it is. These days is not going. It's not really going for us, guys. We lost 240 on the day. 240, 240, 480. That it's okay, loss again. It's on the loss acceptable of the day. Unfortunately, I cannot do anything. I'm on my max trades of the day. I don't want to overtrade. Today is not the day. Like it has been Friday, it has been Thursday, I believe Thursday, last Monday, last Tuesday, I don't know, last week in general. What we can do? Nothing right now. This was a nice support to play for a possible bounce. Did not happen. I liked it because I liked more the long than the short in that moment. The break of continuation here was even faster. It is what it is. I accept it. And it's time to call it, guys. I'm sorry. These weeks have been a horrible one, but you can see me. You can see genuinely I'm honest with you, with my trades, with my profit. And I don't trade after I close the live. So tomorrow you're gonna see the same balance you're seeing right now. And that's all. 71% is always off with my code. AMSA, best discount. No matter which discount there is, always AMSA will always give you the best discount. And if 71%, if you still you have the reset as $35, because so I'm telling you, many people don't tell you, but $35 might be cheaper for you than use my discount code. 5,500. I see your point. Yes, I see your point on that one. This is what it is. I'm gonna accept it. I'm gonna take the shot. Take it, guys. It was a pleasure. See you tomorrow for the next live. Hopefully a green day. Love you guys. Tomorrow or in Discord or see you in Discord.